What if I told you that these 20 pieces of gear could transform you from unprepared to unstoppable? Whether you're facing a power outage, stuck in the wilderness, or just trying to fix something around the house, today's lineup has got you covered. I'm about to show you the ultimate collection of multi-tools, EDC essentials, and outdoor tech that every prepared person should know about. And trust me, by the end of this video, you'll want to upgrade your entire carry setup. Starting strong with the absolute legend of multi-tools, the Leatherman Wave Plus. This isn't just a tool, it's a 40-year legacy of American engineering excellence. With 18 tools packed into just 8.5 ounces, this thing is basically a portable workshop. Key features. The game changer here. Those premium replaceable wire cutters. Most multi-tools become paperweights when the cutters wear out, but not this one. Spring action scissors that actually cut like real scissors, not those flimsy ones you find on cheap multi-tools. 25-year warranty backed by their Portland, Oregon factory. They're so confident, they'll replace it for a quarter century. Real talk, customers say this holds up to daily abuse like a champ. Yes, it's an investment, but this is the kind of tool that pays for itself the first time it saves your bacon. Next up, we've got the Kershaw Cryo, and this beauty has some serious pedigree. It's designed in collaboration with custom knife maker RAK Multitool, and it shows. Blade magazine called it Best Buy of the Year. That's not marketing fluff, that's industry recognition. Key features. That assisted opening with flipper. One-handed deployment that's smoother than butter. Perfect for when you've got your hands full. 8CR13 MOV steel with titanium carbonitride coating. Basically, it's tough as nails and looks like it belongs in a sci-fi movie. RAK Multitool's lock bar stabilization prevents overextension. Translation: this lock won't fail when you need it most. At 4.1 ounces, it's substantial enough to handle real work, but won't weigh down your pocket. The 4-position clip means you can carry it exactly how you want. Holy brightness, Batman! This ULTRAFIRE tactical flashlight throws 1,000 lumens nearly 820 feet. That's like having a miniature lighthouse in your pocket. Key features. 3 modes done right: high, low, and hidden strobe. No annoying mode cycling through 17 useless settings. Built-in USB-C charging with status indicators. Red while charging, green when ready to blind your enemies or find your keys. Aerospace-grade aluminum with IP65 waterproof rating. This thing laughs at storms. The included holster means you can clip it to your belt and forget about it until you need to turn night into day. Perfect for emergencies, camping, or just being the person everyone calls when the power goes out. Don't sleep on this one. RAK's Multitool Pen looks innocent, but it's packing 11 functions in a sleek aluminum body. This is the kind of gear that makes you look like a wizard to your coworkers. Key features. Bright LED light, touchscreen stylus, rulers in both metric and standard, bubble level, bottle opener, and Phillips screwdriver. 2-pack with ink refills, because 1 is none and 2 is 1 in the preparedness world. Heavy-duty aluminum construction that can handle construction and DIY projects. The beauty of this is its stealth factor. Nobody suspects the guy with the fancy pen until he's fixing their computer, opening their bottle, and lighting up dark corners. It's like having a secret agent toolkit hiding in plain sight. Tired of sounding like a medieval jailer every time you walk? The Ridge Key Organizer is about to change your life. This isn't just key organization, it's pocket revolution. Key features. Patent-pending tension plate system holds 2 to 6 keys without the bulk, poke holes, or jangle. Same aluminum construction as their famous wallets, lightweight, durable, and built to last. Innovative steel pocket clip keeps keys accessible but out of the way. Think about it, how many times have your keys poked holes in your pockets or made noise when you're trying to be stealthy? This solves all of that while looking absolutely premium. This power bank is an absolute unit. 56,800 mAh pure charging power, that's enough juice to charge your phone 11 times. This thing could probably power a small village. Key features. 22.5W fast charging gets you back to 100% faster than ever. 3 ports charge your phone, tablet, and earbuds simultaneously. Smart LED display shows exact battery percentage, no more guessing games. This is the kind of backup power that turns a potential disaster into a minor inconvenience. Power outage? No problem. Camping trip? Covered. Long flight? Entertainment sorted. It's peace of mind in a compact package. For the vertical adventurers out there, Black Diamond's Hotforge hybrid Quickdraws are the real deal. These aren't just climbing gear, they're life-saving equipment engineered to perfection. Key features: snag-free key-lock top carabiner for smooth bolt clipping. Colored bottom hot wire carabiner creates a visual target crucial when you're pumped and scared. Straight jacket insert keeps the bottom binder in optimal position. Customers love that bright pink color because when you're 100 feet up a cliff face, visibility can be the difference between sending your route and taking a whipper. The quality and strength are absolutely bomber. Your wallet is basically a pocket-sized filing cabinet, right? Wrong. This Semirad RFID wallet is about to make your old leather brick look ancient. Key features: aluminum card case with eject mechanism, press the button and cards pop out in perfect order. Expandable cash slot that actually works, holds folded bills and extra cards. RFID blocking technology protects against electronic pickpocketing. This holds up to 10 cards, has a transparent ID window, and fits in your front pocket without looking like you're smuggling a sandwich. It's the kind of upgrade that makes you wonder why you ever carried a traditional wallet. When disaster strikes, the first 72 hours are critical. This EVERLIT emergency kit isn't just a bag of random supplies, it's a carefully engineered survival system designed by actual survivalists and veterans. Key features: Coast Guard approved food and water with 5-year shelf life. Cat tourniquet for serious bleeding control. This is military-grade medical gear. 3-in-1 hand crank device, flashlight, radio, and phone charger. No batteries required. The 1000D polyester tactical backpack is tear and water resistant with mall panels for additional gear. This isn't just emergency preparation, it's peace of mind for your entire family. Sometimes the best gear is the gear that just works day after day, without fuss. The Timex Expedition Scout is that kind of reliable companion. Key features: Indiglo light-up dial, see the time even in total darkness. Water resistant to 165 feet, perfect for swimming and outdoor adventures. Full Arabic numerals and luminous hands for maximum readability. Customers praise its nighttime visibility and overall quality. Sure, some report mixed durability experiences, but at this price point, it's hard to beat the value. This is the kind of watch that becomes part of your daily uniform. The Byrna represents a new category of personal defense, less lethal but highly effective. This isn't a toy, it's a serious defensive tool that fires 68 caliber rounds at 330 feet per second. Key features: patented pull-pierce CO2 technology, first trigger pull punctures and fires simultaneously. Effective range up to 60 feet, that's serious standoff distance. 20 rounds per CO2 cylinder, more shots than most encounters would ever require. This gives you options in situations where you need to stop a threat but don't want to use lethal force. It's about having choices when seconds count. Your EDC gear is only as good as your ability to carry it properly. This top stash leather sheath turns your belt into a tactical command center. Key features: crazy horse leather construction, gets better with age and use. Fits most Leatherman models plus flashlights, knives, and pens. Dual attachment system, a belt clip for quick access, belt loop for security. This frees up your cluttered pockets and puts your most important tools exactly where you need them. It's like having a Batman utility belt that doesn't look ridiculous at the office. The ASP Scarab Cutter is purpose-built for one job, safely removing restraints. This is professional-grade equipment used by law enforcement and security professionals. Key features: integral blade guard prevents injury to user and subject. Ultra-portable design adds virtually no weight to your carry. Easier to carry than scissors or wire cutters. This is specialized gear for specific situations, but when you need it, nothing else will do. It's about having the right tool for the job. For the content creators and musicians out there, the Focusrite Scarlett Solo is your gateway to professional audio quality. This little box transforms your computer into a recording studio. Key features: high-performance mic preamps with switchable air mode for extra clarity. 24-bit/192 kHz recording capability, that's studio quality resolution. Gain halos prevent clipping and distortion. Customers love the instrument input quality and find it incredibly easy to use. Mixed reviews on reliability, but when it works, it delivers professional results. Plus, it comes with a full suite of recording software. When emergencies happen, organization saves lives. This first aid-only kit isn't just a box of bandages, it's a comprehensive medical response system. Key features: OSHA compliant for up to 50 people, perfect for offices and job sites. Smart Tab Ezrafill system makes restocking simple and cost-effective. Color-coded packaging follows ANSI recommendations for quick identification. The wall-mountable cabinet with carrying handle means you can have it accessible but portable. In an emergency, every second counts, and this kit is designed for fast, effective response. This isn't just any compass, this is the official compass of the US military. When your GPS fails, this Kamenga tritium compass will get you home. Key features: 7 tritium microlights provide illumination for over 12 years, no batteries required. Operates in temperatures from -50 degrees Fahrenheit to 150 degrees Fahrenheit, extreme weatherproof. Accuracy within 40 mils, military-grade precision. This compass has been to battlefields around the world and proven itself in every environment. It's shockproof, waterproof, and sandproof. When you absolutely positively need to know which way is north, accept no substitutes. Meet your new third hand. The MagMaster magnetic tool holder is so simple, it's genius. Clip it on and suddenly you've got a place for every tool. Key features: super strong magnet, holds everything from sledgehammers to screws. Clips on a belts up to 1.75 inches, fits most tool belts. Smartphone safe, won't affect your phone's memory. This is one of those tools that you don't know you need until you have it. Then you wonder how you ever worked without it. It's like having an extra hand that never gets tired. Want to create content that looks professional without the professional price tag? The DJI Osmo mobile set turns your smartphone into a Hollywood camera rig. Key features: 3-axis stabilization, eliminates shaky footage, butter smooth video every time. Active Track 6.0 follows subjects automatically, perfect for solo content creation. Apple Watch remote control, become the director of your own film. The foldable design means you can take it anywhere, and the magnetic clamp gets you shooting in seconds. Whether you're creating content for social media or documenting adventures, this gimbal is a game changer. Cable chaos is real, and this TomTalk organizer is the cure. This isn't just a pouch, it's a complete organizational system for your electronic life. Key features: smart compartment design, keeps everything organized and accessible. Made from sustainable RPET 600D polyester, eco-friendly and durable. 1.8 L capacity in a compact form factor. Customers love how it fits essential tech items perfectly while keeping everything organized. It's the kind of upgrade that makes you wonder why you ever tolerated cable chaos. Last but definitely not least, the Vault Card RFID blocking card. This little piece of plastic is your shield against electronic pickpocketing. Key features: sophisticated electromagnetic jamming technology, military-grade protection. No battery required, powered by the energy from RFID scanners. Auto adjusts power based on scanning intensity. Just slip it in your wallet with your cards, and you're protected 24/7. It's like having an invisible bodyguard for your financial information. In a world where criminals are getting more sophisticated, this is one of the simplest yet most effective countermeasures you can deploy. There you have it, 20 pieces of gear that can transform your preparedness game. From the legendary Leatherman Wave Plus to the high-tech Vault Card, each of these tools serves a specific purpose in building your ultimate EDC and outdoor setup. Remember, the best gear is the gear you have with you when you need it. Start with 1 or 2 items that speak to your specific needs, then build from there. Your future self will thank you when you're the person who's always prepared. Which of these tools caught your attention? Drop a comment below and let me know what's going in your EDC rotation. And if you found this guide helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more gear reviews and preparedness content. Until next time, stay prepared, stay safe, and remember, it's better to have it and not need it than to need it and not have it.